Okay, let's see what's happening with GJ on the 2 hour time frame. So the first thing we obviously have here is I've already marked an ascending channel, so which tells us that generally speaking, this is a bullish market and we want to focus on buying positions instead of selling positions because that's the first step. We want to know, okay, which side are we supporting in this market? And for GJ, like I'm saying, overall, still bullish due to this ascending channel that the market has been using to go to the upside. So we had our first three touches at the bottom, and today we actually trading. We actually came, we dropped, and when we reached when we reached this channel for the fourth time, you can actually see that bulls started coming in. And another thing we have for bulls in this case is if you check here as this market was going up, if you check all these lows, these are equal lows. So we basically have a support base that was formed at this level here. Take that same support base, you take it to these highs, and you can actually see that also the market made a resistance here at equal highs were actually made here. So there was a resistance area due to the multiple rejections at one area. Take that all the way to this side. So for now, what we had the bullish market enter the sideways movement or a small consolidation. And I always say, once you see something like that, once the market is actually able to break out of the resistance of that consolidation, always take advantage of the buy positions that will be presented. So even if you didn't get the dead touch of this channel as the market was moving up, that's another opportunity for actually buying. And now after we broke out, traded for some time above this area, and today, which is Wednesday the 31st, we can actually see that the market came back, and we're still looking for buy positions here at this area because we have two things in our favor. We have the ascending channel, obviously the fourth touch of the ascending channel, and we also have this area which was used as resistance now being used as support. And we say that because we've actually seen bulls go ahead and enter this market on like today. So another thing I want to mark here for you guys is, so we also want to take note of the fact that, okay, so let's just extend this again. So as this market was going up, so obviously if a market is going up, it's going to make higher highs and higher lows. So these were the higher lows that we actually made. These were the latest ones. So this is the only thing that we have against us in terms of being bullish in this market. So that's why we're still paying attention, and I haven't executed any trade from this as of yet. It's because if you take a look at these lows that were actually made as we were going up, the market is actually went ahead and was now able to actually breach them and trade below them. So that's obviously can work against us in the sense that the market has actually introduced a lot of bearish power, being able to actually break three consecutive higher lows that were made on the bullish side. So what we're going to do with that is, if we do get a trade here, as the market progresses to the upside, we're going to have to pay attention to how it does when it reaches the areas of those highs. So it doesn't mean we're actually not going to be executing here. If we do actually get execution opportunities, all that's going to happen is we're going to have to pay attention to how the market is reacting to these areas, as they can still be used as short-term resistance areas. So you find that the market progresses for a few pips to the upside, but struggles to actually go ahead and break these areas. So in that case, you can actually get a lower high being made from these highs. So a high that's actually lower than the latest highs that we have, and we can actually turn bearish in this market. So yeah, that's GJ on the 2 hour time frame.